Hello, fellow wanderers. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for the best in travel and adventure. We're all about inspiring you to explore the world, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil beaches of Bora. We offer useful travel tips, insights, and a glimpse into some of the most beautiful and exciting destinations. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of the top 5 romantic hotels in the world. Buckle up and let's begin our journey. Our first destination is the breathtaking Four Seasons in Bora. Nestled in the heart of French Polynesia, this hotel is a haven of tropical tranquility. Its unique features paint a picture of an idyllic island getaway, where the shimmering Pacific Ocean meets the azure sky. Imagine staying in one of their overwater bungalows. These architectural marvels are perched on stilts above the crystal-clear waters, offering an intimate connection with the surrounding ocean. The bungalows are designed with traditional Polynesian accents, each boasting a see-through glass floor panel that allows you to observe the aquatic life beneath your feet. The hotel's location is nothing short of a tropical paradise. It sits amidst the turquoise lagoon, surrounded by the towering majesty of Mount Otamanu. From pristine white sand beaches to the vibrant coral reefs, Four Seasons. Bora is a testament to nature's grandeur, but the experience doesn't stop there. The hotel offers a myriad of activities to engage in. From snorkeling in the lagoonarium to sunbathing on the private beach, every moment here is a celebration of life. For those seeking relaxation, the holistic spa treatments, inspired by ancient Polynesian traditions, provide a soothing escape. Fine dining is also a cornerstone of the Four Seasons Bora experience. Their restaurants serve a fusion of Polynesian and French cuisine, allowing guests to indulge in the local flavors against the backdrop of the Pacific Ocean. Four Seasons Bora, where dreams of paradise become reality. Next, we're off to the city of love, Paris, to visit the iconic Ritz Carlton. Nestled in the heart of the city, this hotel boasts a prime location, offering guests a front-row seat to the magic of Paris. The Ritz Carlton is steeped in history and exudes an air of traditional French luxury that's simply unparalleled. This hotel is an embodiment of timeless elegance, a testament to its rich history dating back to the late 19th century. It's a place where the past and the present intertwine seamlessly, creating an ambiance that's both unique and utterly charming. The gastronomic delights at the Ritz-Carlton are a story of their own. With Michelin-starred restaurants on site, every meal is a culinary journey that's worth embarking on. And let's not forget the Coco Chanel suite. This suite, named after the famed fashion designer who once called the Ritz home, offers an opulent experience that's truly one of a kind. The Ritz-Carlton Paris, where love and luxury meet. Our next stop is the land of the rising sun, Japan, at the Aman Tokyo. This marvel of modern architecture stands tall, a testament to Japan's unending pursuit of innovation. But it's not just about the exterior. Inside, you'll find a delicate fusion of traditional Japanese aesthetics and contemporary design elements. The result? A space that breathes tranquility and elegance. Imagine lounging in a room adorned with washi paper and warm wood, your eyes drawn to the panoramic city views that stretch out as far as the eye can see. Here, the city's vibrant heartbeat is a distant murmur, replaced by the serene hush that permeates the hotel. The Aman Tokyo indeed is a sanctuary, a retreat from the city's ceaseless energy. Whether you're sipping matcha in the tea room or rejuvenating in the spa, you'll feel the unique blend of Japan's rich history and its exciting future. Aman Tokyo, a serene oasis in the heart of a bustling city. We're now heading to the picturesque Amalfi Coast in Italy, home to the Belmond Hotel Caruso. Perched majestically on a cliff edge, this hotel provides an enchanting view of the Mediterranean Sea, a sight that never fails to captivate its guests. The Belmond Hotel Caruso is not just about the location, though. It's an 11th century palace, restored to its former glory, and it exudes an old-world charm that's both captivating and comforting. Walking through its halls, you can't help but feel a sense of awe, a connection to a time-long past. Now imagine taking a dip in an infinity pool that seems to blend seamlessly with the sea, the sky, and the horizon. It's an experience that's both surreal and serene, a perfect way to unwind and soak in the beauty of the Amalfi Coast. Belmond Hotel Caruso, where Italian elegance meets breathtaking views. Our final destination takes us to the Caribbean, to the stunning Jade Mountain in St. Lucia. A marvel of architecture, Jade Mountain is a symphony of organic design and harmonious construction. It's a place where the lines between the man-made and the natural blur, creating an enchanting fusion of art and nature. The hotel rooms here are a spectacle unto themselves. Imagine a three-walled sanctuary, the fourth wall conspicuously absent, replaced by an unobstructed, awe-inspiring panorama of the Pitons, St. Lucia's majestic twin peaks. You're not just seeing nature, you're living in it, breathing it, becoming a part of it. Each of these heavenly sanctuaries boasts a private infinity pool, a shimmering mirror to the endless Caribbean sky above. It's not just a pool, it's your personal oasis of serenity, your refuge from the world. Jade Mountain, where nature's beauty is your luxury. There you have it, the top 5 romantic hotels in the world. Let's take a moment to recap. We journeyed to the overwater bungalows of Four Seasons Bora Bora, where luxury meets paradise. Then we visited the Ritz Carlton in Paris, a place embodying love and elegance. Our adventure continued to Aman Tokyo in Japan, an oasis of tranquility amidst the bustling city. We whisked you away to Belmond Hotel Caruso in Italy, a place where history and romance intertwine on the Amalfi Coast. Lastly, we unveiled the magic of Jade Mountain in St. Lucia, a sanctuary where nature and architecture blend seamlessly. Each of these hotels offers a unique experience steeped in romance and luxury, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more travel insights and inspirations. Visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more details. Until next time, keep wandering.